Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the fusion of male gamete with the female gamete. Fertilization occurs after the process of pollination. Now let us understand the process of fertilization. After pollination, when the pollen grain reaches the stigma, it begins to grow a pollen tube that travels down the style to reach the ovule inside the ovary. The nucleus of pollen tube divides to form two male gametes. A male gamete or a male sex cell travels down the pollen tube and fuses with the egg cell. What is the egg cell? Egg cell is the female gamete which is present inside the ovule. The process of fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization. The single cell produced as a result of fertilization is called zygote. Now the steps involved in the process of fertilization are: number 1. First, the pollen grain is deposited on the stigma of the flower. Then what happens? Then the pollen grain swells and begins to grow a pollen tube. After that, the pollen tube grows down through the style to reach the ovule inside the ovary. And after reaching the ovary, the nucleus of the pollen tube divides to form two male gametes. A male gamete travels down the pollen tube and fuses with the egg cell inside the ovule, which forms the zygote. The zygote divides several times and grows into an embryo. The embryo develops into the seed, and we all know seed develops into a new plant. Now, after the process of fertilization, seed formation and fruit formation takes place. Now, let us study about that also. Now, after fertilization, the petals, sepal and stamens fall off. The stigma and the style also wither away. The ovary containing ovule, each with a fertilized egg, that is the zygote, continues to grow. The zygote develops and grows into an embryo which has two cotyledons and an embryonic axis. The fertilized and developed ovule changes into the seed. A seed is actually a fertilized and matured ovule which can grow into a new plant under favorable conditions. After the formation of seed, germination of seed takes place. A typical seed of gram and bean consists of a seed coat and an embryo or baby plant. On removing the seed coat, the embryo is seen. It consists of two fleshy cotyledons and a short curved structure called embryonal axis. The cotyledons are attached to the embryonal axis. The axis consists of two parts. The lower part is called radicle, which forms the root system, and the upper consists of small fleshy structure, the plumule. It grows into the shoot system. The process by which sleeping or dormant embryo become active and grow into a new plant is known as germination. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.